In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS as a virtual camera. This feature can be incredibly useful if you're looking to spice things up on your video calls or presentations by sending your OBS scenes and sources directly as a webcam to applications like Zoom, Discord, Skype, or Google Meet. Whether you're aiming to add engaging overlays, a picture-in-picture effect, or just use a higher quality camera than your standard webcam, we've got you covered. So, let's dive into it and see how you can set this up. First things first, we need to make sure your OBS Studio is up to date. If you haven't installed OBS Studio yet, head over to the official OBS website to download the latest version. For those of you who already have OBS installed, simply open the program, navigate to the Help menu, and click on Check for Updates. Ensuring you have the latest version is crucial as it includes the built-in virtual camera support we'll be using today. Once you've got OBS all set up, it's time to add your video sources. Open up OBS Studio and direct your attention to the bottom section of the interface where you'll find the sources box. Here, clicking on the plus button will allow you to add various elements such as display capture, video capture device for your webcam, media source, and even text overlays. This step is all about gathering the content you want to use and display through your virtual camera. Now, with your video sources added, the real fun begins as you configure your scene. Arrange and resize your sources on the canvas to design the virtual camera feed to your liking. Feel free to get creative, mixing different sources to achieve a look that suits your presentation style or the message you want to convey. Once your scene looks perfectly tailored to your needs, focus your attention on the controls panel, which you'll usually find at the bottom right of the OBS interface. Here, a simple click on the Start Virtual Camera button will initiate the process, and just like that, OBS will start sending your scene as a virtual webcam signal. Now, let's integrate this with your video conferencing app. Open the application of your choice like Zoom, Discord, Skype, or Google Meet. Within the app, navigate to the camera or video settings. Here you should see OBS Virtual Camera listed among your webcam options. Select it, and your carefully crafted OBS scene will be used as your webcam feed. Finally, go ahead and start your call or video recording. You'll see that the output from OBS is now serving as your webcam source. With all these steps combined, you can now present your content with a professional touch and precise customization. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.